Hello friends, welcome back with one more video, and today we are going to discuss very crucial point, and that is difference between is to or will. Remember, both are auxiliary verbs and they are used to form the tenses, to form moods and to form voices. So the role of is to or will is to form the tenses, moods and voices. Now let us understand the real uses of will. I mean that where to use and why to use will. If you find that the intention of sentence is to predict or to decide, when the sentence give the clue of prediction, give the clue of decision, in that case will is used. Example, there will be crowd in the market. What is that? It is prediction. We think that it is the possibility, right? Look at one more example. It says, I will call you tomorrow. It is what? It is actually decision, right? And that is decision for next time. So whatever is prediction, whatever is decision for next moment, for next time, for future, will is preferred. Now next is to, am to, are to. You know that they are the family members. But basically in sentence correction, is to and are to are common word. Remember, is to and are to is used to check or to give the expectation that the action or activity referred to will be undertaken or will take place in near future. So whatever is going to happen and we expect of that happening, is to and are to is used. Let me repeat. If there is any expectation of any happening in near future, that will be is to and are to. Example, few people are to join the meeting. It means what? They are scheduled to have a meeting and they are in queue. So some of them have already attended and now few are left and they are going to attend. All right. Now look here. In short, if you want to differentiate or if you want to look at differentiation part, will means prediction. The program will start in few minutes. It means what? There is a time, I mean everything has been arranged, and looking at that arrangement, what is prediction? The program will start in few minutes. Is to or are to means expectation. All right. It means what? The few are to perform. It means many of them have already performed and rest of will perform. It means their performance is expectation. Why? Because they are the part of performance, and from that expectation the sentence will be the few are to perform. The few will perform means what? It is general prediction that there are a lot of people, among them few will perform. But when we say few are to perform means what? Few are to perform means already they are the performer and they have participated. That is why they will perform, and that is expectation. All right, look at one more example. I will take tea. It is my decision, right? Look here, I am to take tea. Expectation, the difference. I'll take tea means what? It is my desire. And that is why I have decided that I want tea. I am to take tea means what? I have been offered tea and now I am left to take and I am going to take. So because tea is in front of me and I will drink, that is why it will be expectation. So I am to take tea. I hope you got the point. The point means what? If you find the intention of sentence is to predict, to decide, will, if it shows expectation, it should be am to, are to or is to. Let us understand through the real example. Seeking to spread science education, the National Science Foundation is to spend $25 million over the next 10 years for promoting science in elementary and secondary schools. See here, is to spend. It's been what? They have been given amount and now they are going to use it. In that case, is to spend. It's been what? Amount has been already given. And after that, they started using, but $25 million are left to use, and that is why is to spend. Did you see? But here the intention is what? Seeking to spur science education. It's been what? It is expected that the total amount will be spent. And it is what? It is prediction that there is spending. Look here, seeking to spur science education, the National Science Foundation will spend 25 million over the next 10 years to promote science in elementary and secondary school. Did you see? Here it is what? That it is the part of prediction, part of planning, part of decision. And because they want to improve everything, and that is why they have decided to spend $25 million to innovate, to renovate the science education. And that is why here this is the correct one. So is to means what? Expected action to happen. Will means what? Prediction to happen, decision to happen. All right, I hope you got the point. If you got the point, please like and do write something in comment box. If you wish to subscribe, please do subscribe. Thank you so much.